Hello, everyone. Guess what we're going to start to study the next couple of weeks? I bet you can't you guess? Can't you guess? Can you guess? Fabulous. All right, well, what I need for you to do is if you have your science books, which some of you may not a big deal because Mrs. White has it, get your science books, all right? And while you're getting them, hurry, I have got to read one of my favorite fun books for bugs, all right? So you go get them, all right? And I'm going to just come over here, and our story is Buzz. Oh my gosh, I just love this book. His name is Buzz. Can you see? I love the bug. See the bug? There he is. There's Buzz. All right. So here we go. Here's the story. I love Buzz. Okay, first of all, look where Buzz is. Look where Buzz is. He's going into the cornflakes. All right, you got him? He's into the cornflakes. Here we go. One morning, Buzz, a bug, was eaten along with a spoonful of cornflakes. Buzz, said Buzz. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh. Molars mushed and flakes flew as Buzz tried to escape. Oh my gosh, look at, you can even see the teeth. Can you see the teeth? Oh my God. Poor Buzz. But he went the wrong way. What do you think that is? What do you think he's looking out at? Huh, okay, well you just keep thinking. Around and around he whirled until suddenly a bright light flashed on. Said the doctor, you caught a bug all right. I'm going to give you some pills and they'll get rid of that bug. Uh-oh. The pills went to work. They're going into his mouth. There they go, marching in. In no time, they tracked Buzz down. Hey, you with the wings, freeze! Buzz took off. The pills searched high and low. See him? Said one. No, he got away, said the other. Buzz hid for a long time. Then very slowly he crept out. Buzz, said Buzz. Uh-oh, pills got him. Aha, cried the pills. Surrender, they commanded. And look what they're doing. Look what they do. They put him into the capsule. Stop, they gurgled. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Look what happened. Where'd Buzz go? Well, Buzz arrived home wet and tired. Said the bug doctor, you caught a germ all right. I'm going to give you some pills. They'll get rid of that germ. Buzz, said Buzz. Can you see the germ? Oh, I think that's so funny. So what'd you think of the book? I'll tell you what, if you want to take a test on it, here's the number, 13774. Okay, and I know all of you can take this test. All right? Okay. All right, darlings, well, hopefully you've got your book. You need to turn it to page 53. Once again, if some of you don't have your books, it's okay. All right, not a big deal because Mrs. White already has it right up here. Thank you to Mrs. Lucio's document reader. Hallelujah. All right, so let's just go over what insects are. Insects are a special group of animals that have 3 main body parts and 6 legs. Okay, so you've got the ladybug. It's got 6 legs. You've got the butterfly. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 legs. The dragonfly and the moth. What are the 3 main body parts of an insect? The head, thorax, abdomen are the 3 main body parts in an insect, okay? Sometimes you can't even see the 3 main body parts in an insect. Okay, so here we go. This looks like an ant. Okay, so you have, here's the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. Okay, and the insect has 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it doesn't have 6 legs, it is not an insect. There are a lot of insects around, aren't they? Oh, summer's coming. Insects are everywhere. Okay. Then we have, sorry about that. Then it says, we know we don't write in our book, but it does says use head, thorax, and abdomen to label. Well, of course the head, we know the head. The middle part is the thorax, right? And then this part right here, this long part, is the abdomen. And another word for abdomen is stomach. Isn't that something? All right, so abdomen and stomach are pretty much the same thing. Now, it says, is a spider an insect? Well, how many legs does a spider have? Let's count. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is a spider an insect? Nope, because it has how many legs? It has 8 legs, that's right. So let's look. We're only doing 2 pages in our book. All right, we're going to get out of this. And we're going to go to, I want to show you this one picture though. I love this. Isn't this fun? I just love that picture. It says, let's learn more about insects. But I just love this. I love all the colors. Ah! Love it. Okay. So let's see what we have. Oh, look at that. Okay. So, what is an insect? Well, an insect has 3 body parts, head, thorax, and abdomen, right? And it even has a little antennae right here, a compound eye, and we're going to talk more about what a compound eye is, and it's got its little mouth parts, right? And the most important thing is it has how many legs? 6 legs. All right, even on an ant, you've got the head, thorax, and the abdomen. Okay, look at this guy. It's got little mouth parts, his antennae. Okay, these are, look at how those wings come out. All right, this head, thorax, and this is the abdomen part, and that's where his, it's like his wings. The wings, though, are coming off of his thorax. Okay, the wings are attached to his thorax. All right, well, let's do this little thing we have right here.
Let's talk about insects.
Let's see if we can get you a little closer. There we go.
Insects are everywhere. But what are they? And what do we really know about them? Let's meet CP ant and talk insects. CP is a carpenter ant and is properly known as Camponotus pennsylvanicus. That's Camponotus pennsylvanicus. Insects make up more than half of all living things in the world. Today there are more than 1 million known species of insects. That's 1 million. And there are many more waiting to be discovered.
Yikes.
Species means a unique group of living things like an Asian elephant, a rose, or a human being. Each one is a different species. Insects rule. It's estimated there are about 10 quintillion living insects.
Whoa.
That's 10 quintillion.
Look at all those
alive at any
zeros.
time. Or there are 40 million insects in an area the size of a football field. What makes an insect, you ask? Insects belong to a group called arthropods. Arthropod means having limbs with many joints that bend in many directions. Humans have elbows and knees that bend, but their movement is limited. We insects have them beat. We can do things with our limbs that humans can only dream about.
So you have all these different joints on an insect. And they can go all different ways. Well, we can't with ours, can we? We can only do certain things with it. We can't go back. But insects are different joints, so they can all do all different things.
Even NASA has tried to copy our ability to move with their lunar exploratory robots. But not all arthropods are insects. Spiders and centipedes are arthropods, but they are not insects. It's because insects only have 6 legs. Spiders have 8 legs. Centipedes have many more. This one has 36. How can we tell insects apart from other wannabes? It's easy. Count the legs. There will always be 6. Click only on the insects on this page.
Okay, well, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that
Correct. Try another.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm trying to think of those antennas or legs, but okay, 1, 2, okay, this guy.
Correct. Try another.
All right, I know my class always wants to say, see what happens when you do it wrong. So let's do this.
Sorry. Try again.
He's a wannabe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job. You chose all 3 insects. You only chose one wannabe. Another characteristic of insects is that they do not have bones or a skeleton. They have a rigid skin called an exoskeleton. Insects have body parts just like you. There are 3 basic body parts: head, thorax, abdomen. In an ant like me, it's easy to see 3 body parts: head, thorax, abdomen. With a beetle, the thorax and abdomen are covered by its wings. This makes it hard to see the body parts. A termite's thorax and abdomen look like they're joined together in one piece, but they really aren't. Now you can tell ants and termites apart by how the body parts are put together. The ant has a smaller area between the thorax and the abdomen. Let's look more closely at the head. We have antennae, eyes, and a mouth. Antennae can be very simple or incredibly complex. With our antennae, we can detect smells, vibrations, or sounds. We can even use them to find each other. Our eyes are not like yours. They are really amazing. Some of us have eyes that have thousands of lenses. This is called a composite eye. This means that our field of vision is much wider than yours. That also means no one can sneak up behind me. Let's take a closer look. See how different my eye is compared to yours? Not all insects' mouths are the same. Some insects drink their food, and that requires a sucking mouthpart. Next time you watch a butterfly, see how it sucks up the nectar. Other insects chew their food. This requires chewing mouthparts like you would find on ants, beetles, or termites. They chew their food and swallow it. Here's what happens after a Japanese beetle has had lunch on a plant.
Whoa, look at that. He's eating it all up. Well, we're going to stop there. And on Friday, you'll be getting a lot of different, oops, sorry, can you see me very well? You're going to get a lot of fun pages that you can put together different insects that there's a page where has all different insect parts that you can put together. All right, so remember what an insect is, and I will see you tomorrow. All right, bye.